Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's a buddy Technoboy, and there you can see that's the SAREGAMA Carvaan 2.1 soundbar. You can see two drivers on each side. You can see the shining ones. These are the drivers, and the subwoofer is right there on the floor. And behind that, there you can see that's the ZEBRONICS. Well, that's a 5.1 soundbar, and that's the new one. So as you can see, according to the size, this thing is quite big enough in all the way, the front, the height, the depth and all. But the Zebronics is quite a slim one, and the main reason is that that thing doesn't have any circuitry inside of it. Only the front three channels are there, and everything else is inside the subwoofer. So in this video I'm gonna do the sound test comparison between these two legendary soundbars. And as that's a 5.1 and that cannot be turned into 2.1, but I'm going to reduce the surround volumes to very low, and then you're going to check the sound, both of them. And both the subwoofers are right there side by side on the floor. So I'm going to start with this one, the SAREGAMA, and then gonna play the songs on the ZEBRONICS. So let's start.
Having trouble letting go. Close my eyes and wish you were closer. Nowhere like footprints in the snow. Slowly fading until it's over. Our memories